Hi friends, Jai Dwarkadhish, and today I am going to make a quick recipe, a desi recipe of pasta. Very quick way and very fast way and in a very desi style. You can keep it in your children's tiffin or just like for snacking, or sometimes if they don't want to have lunch or dinner, you can prepare this recipe. It's very easy. For this I have taken 2 cups of pasta. Then I have taken here pasta masala, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, then 2 cubes of butter. Then here I have all mixed seasonings with me. It's a mixed seasoning with me. Then I have onions, tomatoes, corns, peas. Then I have here with me capsicum. You can put carrots, you can put mushrooms, whatever vegetables, even paneer pieces, or you can skip also something which your children or for the person you're making doesn't like. So what I'll do is, सबसे पहले हम अपने पास्ता को बॉईल कर लेंगे. पास्ता को बॉईल करने के बाद I have already boiled it for you to show how it comes up. जब हम बॉईल कर रहे हैं तो हम उसमें सिर्फ सॉल्ट डाल रहे हैं. हम उसमें सिर्फ ऑयल डाल रहे हैं, सॉल्ट नहीं डाल रहे हैं. The reason is that in your masalas, that is the mixed seasonings you have, and the pasta masala already has some amount of salt in it. So you don't have to put much salt, only salt to taste in the end. Now what I'll do is, I'll take olive oil in my dish. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of olive oil because I'll be adding butter also somewhere in between. Now by the time my olive oil is getting a little warmed up, I'm going to add my 2 cubes of butter to it. You can say almost 3 tablespoons of butter or 2 tablespoons of butter. You can even reduce it if you want, or you can put any other oil, like I've taken butter and olive oil. You can take anything else. It is just perfectly okay, and it depends what you want. Then I've taken my ginger garlic paste. I'm going to heat it well so that the ginger and the garlic gets cooked up well. अगर ठीक से कुक नहीं होता है तो बाद में इसका थोड़ा सा एक रॉ फ्लेवर आता है, एक स्मेल आती है. That doesn't look well. Then here to this, once my ginger garlic paste or my GG paste is getting cooked up, you can see the bubbles coming up. It means कि हमारा ginger garlic का paste जो है वो cook हो रहा है. You can hear the crackling sound also. And here to this I'm going to add my onion. 1 big onion I've taken. I'm going to toss it so that it becomes a little pink. Now here you can see slowly our onions are turning into pink. Now here itself I'm going to add my tomatoes. 1 big tomato I've taken. I'll add a little salt to taste. As I told you, masalas already have salt in them, तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें नमक नहीं डालेंगे, उतना ही डालेंगे कि सब्जियों को वो कवर कर. To this I'll put my peas. मैं normally frozen peas or corns use करती हूँ क्योंकि every season you don't get them fresh. So I prefer using frozen corns and frozen peas for my recipes. इसको बनाना बहुत आसान है and मिनटों में बन जाता है. टिफिन्स में it is a favorite for the kids. इवन बड़ों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इसको सैलड्स की तरह भी आप खा सकते हैं माइनस बटर करके. सो इट बिकम्स अ वेरी नाइस डिश. आप ब्रोकलीज ऐड कर दीजिए, इसमें आप कॉलीफ्लावर्स ऐड कर दीजिए, कैबेजेस ऐड कर दीजिए, बेबी कॉर्न्स ऐड कर दीजिए. एंड आई टोल्ड यू कुक मशरूम्स. आई मीन यू फर्स्ट कुक देम, बॉयल देम एंड देन ऐड देम. वो भी बहुत यम लगते हैं. सो यू कैन डू एज मच वेरिएशंस एज यू वांट according to the flavors that you like to eat. see this is getting nicely done. We'll cover it for 2 minutes. ज़्यादा नहीं कुक करना है हमें, बस 2 minutes के लिए we'll cover it with the lid. Only for 2 minutes. Now see, after 2 minutes, the tomatoes are getting a little soft. This is what we wanted. बस tomatoes को soft करना है. Now to this I'm going to add my mixed herbs. 1 big teaspoon, and if you feel कि teaspoon से बड़ा mild flavor है, so you can add 1 more. Normally बच्चों को बहुत strong नहीं अच्छा लगता है. And then I have added my pasta masala to this. Pasta masala itself brings a nice flavor to this quick recipe of yours. Now I am going to add capsicums in the end. You can add bell peppers also, the red ones, the yellow ones, to give it a nice colorful appearance. We'll toss it for a minute or 2. And then to this I'm going to add half a cup of water. So now I am adding half a cup of water to this. Now water will do 2 things. First of all, इसमें जितने मसाले हमने डाले हैं उनको वो थोड़ा फुलाएगा पानी में और अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाएगा. And then I'll just cover it for a minute. And now my boiled pastas are already ready. And then I'm going to add my boiled pastas to this. Some people like to add cheese cubes also to this. You can add cheese cubes also to this. So here goes my pasta. It is everyone's favorite. Nice, light, and see, it is not holding much of oil also. ज़्यादा oil भी नहीं पड़ा है. मैंने butter भी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं डाला है. तो ये हेल्दी भी है, क्विक है और इसको बनाने में 10 से 15 मिनट लगते हैं. You can easily make it and enjoy it, and I'm sure your kids are going to love it. And even elders love it. So we've mixed it well, and now I'm going to cover it on a low flame for around 5 minutes, and then we'll check. Let's check. So here we go. Our pasta is all ready. Let's serve it. Wow, our pasta is ready. So let's enjoy and have a great day.